In the frozen wonderland of Antarctica, two inseparable penguin pals named Puppy and Pipu lived among the icy landscapes. They dreamed of building the grandest iceberg castle ever seen. One chilly morning, Puppy and Pipu waddled to the coast, where majestic icebergs stood like frozen castles. Inspired by the towering structures, the penguin pals began their quest to construct their own magical palace. With each flap of their wings and slide on the icy slopes, Puppy and Pipu gathered snow and ice, shaping it into the most enchanting castle. They adorned it with shimmering icicles and decorated the walls with snowflake patterns, turning their creation into a masterpiece. As they worked side by side, the penguin pals encountered challenges. Icy winds threatened to topple their creation, and slippery slopes tested their determination. Yet, they persisted, learning the value of teamwork, resilience, and the strength that came from their unwavering friendship. Word of their icy masterpiece spread throughout the penguin community. Other penguins joined in, offering a helping flipper to add the finishing touches. The iceberg castle became a symbol of unity and collaboration. One frosty evening, under the glow of the southern lights, the penguin pals stood proudly in front of their creation. The shimmering castle reflected the magic of their friendship and the lessons they had learned along the way. From that day on, the penguin community celebrated their iceberg castle as a reminder that even in the coldest of environments, warmth could be found in the bonds of friendship and the shared joy of creating something truly extraordinary. And so, Puppy and Pipu Iceberg Castle stood tall, a testament to the enduring power of unity and dreams nurtured by the chill of Antarctica.